Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to easily navigate through your Telegram bot conversations by date on your PC. Whether you're searching for an old transaction, a specific reminder, or just want to revisit a past chat, this feature saves time and keeps your chats organized. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you haven't downloaded it yet, head to the official website and install the desktop version. Once you're logged in, locate the bot you want to explore in your chat list. It could be a weather bot, a task manager, or any automated assistant you've been using. Click to open the chat. Now, here's the key step. Scroll through the conversation until you find any message sent on the general date range you're interested in. Hover your cursor over the message and you'll notice a small date or timestamp above it. Click on this date. Instantly, a calendar pop-up will appear, allowing you to jump to any specific day. Need to find a conversation from last month? No problem. Use the calendar's navigation arrows to switch between months or years. Click the exact date you're looking for, and Telegram will automatically scroll to the messages sent on that day. If multiple messages were exchanged, you can browse through them chronologically. This feature is especially handy for bots that handle daily updates, like news alerts or habit trackers. Instead of endless scrolling, you can pinpoint the exact date in seconds. Plus, it works seamlessly whether you're using a single chat or a group where the bot is active. And there you have it. Finding conversations by date in a Telegram bot on your PC is that simple. This update streamlines how you interact with automated chats, making information retrieval faster and more intuitive. Give it a try the next time you need to track down an old message, and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Telegram tips and tricks. See you in the next video.